Instapage users can now build forms using a dedicated form builder, offering a rich set of tools for designing high-performing fillable forms. To access the form builder, go to your workspace and click the Forms Library button on the left-hand toolbar. You can create a new form from scratch or choose an existing form using the Instapage Form Library. For now, let's go with the first option. This is what the form builder looks like. Use the left-hand sidebar to add elements and widgets to your form. Simply click on the required field to add it to your form. Drag and drop fields to place them in the right order. Use the right-hand toolbar to edit your form's settings and style. Specify whether you want each field to be required or optional, label your fields, add validation, customize dropdowns, and so on. Once finished, proceed to the Form Style tab. Here, you can customize the form to ensure it aligns with your brand's style. You can edit colors, shapes, fonts, and more. Additionally, you can configure what happens after the form is submitted or turn your form into a multi-step one. Customize the look of each step, add its own fields, and so on. When all is set, click Insert. You can customize the form even more using the right-hand sidebar. Change the size, style, and alignment of the elements to ensure they match the rest of the page. Also, remember to switch to Mobile View to ensure your newly created form is mobile-friendly. That's it! Your form is ready to go. Each new form you create is automatically saved in your Instapage account. Simply go to the Forms library and click My Forms to reuse the form as many times as you need. Try it out for yourself at instapage.com.